our neighbors know that we're YouTubers now. Okay, well, I am extremely excited for today. This isn't even the best part, but what we are going to do today, what we're getting and setting up for, something that I have wanted for a very long time. In case you're wondering, kayaking is one of our favorite activities. We do it almost everywhere we go that has kayaking, and one day we will own kayaks. I promise you that. And I'll say it again. I've said it before, I'll say it again, that I absolutely love kayaking. We go kayaking in pretty much every opportunity we get, and one day we will own them. One day.
We have talked about it, and now we have executed. So, it's a lot of gear involved for the main event. So we need to open this gear, get it set up, so that we can even bring the prize home.
But we're gonna open some things up, talk about what we got, and then we'll go get the prize possession. So first up, the one that you can see the most of, this is for little Chippy Chip.
Aww.
So this little life vest for Chip. He may not come with all of the trips. He may not come really ever, but we're gonna give it a try, see how he does, and want to make sure that he's safe along the way too.
And in general, like if he's by the water, for some reason we can have that. It's kind of nice to have.
So while Chip needs to be safe, we also need to be safe. I'm gonna do yours while I'm holding mine up.
Yeah.
So again, we decided to get our own PFDs, life vests. So I did a little bit of shopping around on these and went with these for a couple of reasons. As we zip them up and get them on,
Mine's a pretty green.
they have some color coding because for our color preferences. So I have a little bit of a pocket up here and some other things you can clip on. But the reason I specifically went with this set is that these are going to leave some space for the seat to kind of sit here and not be kind of like pushing up on our back, and just allow us to be more comfortable as we're sitting. What do you think?
I like it. I didn't know that part. Is there a whistle? I thought there was a whistle.
A whistle?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that what's in the pocket?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's tethered. Worst case scenario, but we have it.
Should we do the rest with them on? How would you like to do this? Want me to do one at a time?
Yeah, sure.
If I can get into it.
Ooh, fancy. It's like marbled.
And if you couldn't tell, this is a kayak paddle. What I liked about these is that they are two pieces and they allow us to get a little bit comfortable. So there's an adjustment here that I can put it now at an angle if I feel more comfortable that way. I can also do it at the other angle if I feel more comfortable that way, or I can just have them straight on and use that. But for transporting them, specifically in the RAV4 or in the Airstream, we can take them apart and they're going to be much more compact. So I got myself orange. Do you remember what color I got you?
Is it blue? Is it green? Blue! I like it. It's like the water. My turn. Getting real.
Getting real. If you've been around, you might be wondering, how is this last one going to work? How is this whole thing going to work when we have limited payload capacity? Because these are the roof racks for the RAV4. And yes, we are limited on our payload capacity. But our plan, but our plan is to transport the kayaks in the base camp as we kind of go around when we're actually towing and kind of getting to a destination. And then when we get to that destination, we'll have the roof racks, put the kayaks up on top, and be able to get to an actual body of water. But now we got to get these assembled on the RAV4 and actually go pick up the kayaks. We're here, we're picking them up.
You're an I think that's how you do it.
So now we have the fun job of strapping them all down. Which we've never done before, so it's just going to be experimenting.
We got them. They're up top. Let's see.
We're gonna drive for the first time. I'm a little nervous about it.
But look, I opened the roof, just the screen part, not the whole window. No. There's a view of them. Everything's going well so far.
At 5 miles an hour in the parking lot, everything's going well.
Okay, they're still there. Here they are. It's like when we towed the Airstream for the first time. Aaron, you have to watch the road.
I looked and then I looked up.
No.
But it's making me nervous.
No, I'll watch them. They're not shifting at all.
You're gonna put your pedal together so you know what to do?
But there's a frog.
I did it. All right. What do you think? Is that a good spot for you? That's where you're gonna start. Just kidding. Getting that bug spray on?
Oh yeah, come here. Ah! There.
Well, they float.
Yeah, we float. That part's good. Jack.
And so we've gotten them in the water. We're gonna give them a little bit of a try. This is our first attempt with the kayaks, and see how it goes. Well, I can tell you I'm absolutely in heaven. This is, like I've said before, this is something that we've wanted for a really, really long time. Being able to be out here on our own kayaks without a time limit on a rental or anything like that, just being able to enjoy the national park. This is everything I've wanted from this. So very, very happy to have these. We'll be sure to share more adventures from these kayaks. This adventure that we're on, we're gonna be sharing a lot more of. So make sure and hit subscribe to find out where in the world Karma goes next.